So folks, how can you create a video out of your images? Folks, if you remember the very first part of the lectures of this course, I taught you some basic rules on how to create video from these images. Not this one, the ones I showed you in the previous one, obviously, but really simple videos. But folks, remember this thing. Once you create the videos, you will not be able to upscale it or treat it as an image, because then Midjourney would treat it as a video and not an image. Really simple. I have a prompt ready for you just to save your time and mine as well. What we are going to do is that we are going to put in the parameter dash dash video. The moment I put in the dash dash video parameter, folks, it will not treat it as an image, it will treat it as a video. Okay, let's go. So create a stunning portrait of a British Indian woman with brown hair and captivating blue eyes wearing tank tops. The focus should be on and you can exclude the bottom part of her body in the high resolution 8K photo. Capture her beauty and elegance in a way that highlights a unique blend of the British Indian heritage. Aspect ratio was 4:7, which is your YouTube or your TV dimensions. Then you have at the last, which is very important, dash dash video. Just to inform the Midjourney bot, do not treat this as an image, treat this as a video, and we enter here. Let's see if it goes through, folks. And it does. So we are going to create a video out of that. The video would be created, folks. Folks, don't expect to be a very hi-fi kind of a video, an image, and a Hollywood kind of a video. No, it's going to be a very simple 2-3 seconds videos of the 4 images that Midjourney is going to make. And once the video is going to be done, we are going to send a DM to the Midjourney bot to give us that image. Okay? Is it done? Okay, wait. Send us a DM. And probably we'll get a DM. But where is my video? So folks, we did it. We are finally created a video. And the problem that we had was here. If you look carefully, I put in the aspect ratio here 4:7. So that is why my thing didn't work. Once I remove the aspect ratio during this cut to save your time, and I'll show you what the prompt exactly looks like. The prompt is exactly all of that, but only one parameter was there. Where is the prompt? Here we go. Only one parameter is there. That is at the end of the prompt, I wrote in dash dash video. And then I emailed and then I said, okay, let's DM this thing to me in the envelope emoji. And it's going to DM me right now. And come on, dude, just DM me. Why do you just do this stuff when I'm teaching? Okay, so folks, this is our our link, and let's visit the site, and you'll get a very beautiful image, actually a video of the images. Let's see how good that is. So folks, here we have our video ready. Actually, I pasted the thing and there we go. It is so dumb and weird. Like, I can't even trust. This is not a video, dude. This is like the image processing thing, and you recorded this thing and sent it to me. This is not a video. Come on, man. No, come on. You can't fool me. Come on. I'm there for my dear students. No, this is not a video. This is actually an image processing system that you have recorded and sent it to me. No, it is not a video. Okay, we'll take it as a video. Can't help it. But folks, this is what the video was all about. I'm sorry if you're disappointed. I'm genuinely sorry, but this is what it is from Midjourney. Can't help it. So folks, that was it from this lecture. I hope you enjoyed it after so many errors, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.